Napakatindi ng aksyon sa laro na to. Ito yung game na literal na boxing na may konting basketball. Hindi uso ang technical at thrown out dito kada lambingan. Napaka-intense. Kung ang PBA ay may Crispa versus Toyota rivalry o Manila Clasico na Ginebra versus Pure Foods, ito naman ng rivalry sa panalay ng CM Farm versus WN Sofia. Lagi na lang nasasangkot si Jackson Corpus sa gulo.
Ayan na naman ang lambingan. Ayan na naman ang lambingan.
Andyan ang bad boy ng Pampanga na si Jenmar Baragais para sa CM Farm.
Jenmar sa 3. Bang! Jenmar Baragais!
Makakatapat si Vic Manuel at Mark Nonoy ng WB Sofia.
Oh, take it away. Left.
Kaya tara at panoodin natin ng full game highlights ng WB Sofia versus CM Farm.
Oh!
Step back and kiss myself. Big time plays make big time plays.
Well guys, good evening. Maayong gabi match by the CM Farm at ng ating paboritong kupunan. Sean down to Ojula. Now Lopez from 3. Bang! 3-point shots. Kabaog! Sa mga lugar sa Pilipinas, inaabangan talaga tong laban na to. And the muscle man, Farm and WB and Sofia. Number 4, basket count. This is the guys. Tumanso. Balik kay Jenmar. Behind the back, Sanjo! What a pass! Oscar. Calo. Open the golden hands. Bang! Good. And now by Nonoy. Mark Nonoy, take it away. Left finish. Basket. Villarosa. At ito na naman. Ito na naman ang lambingan. Ito na naman ang lambingan sa panalay. Oh, Jory Napoles versus Jenmar Baragais. Nonoy from 3. Miss. Ojula to Mark Nonoy. They stop on pump the elbow. Basket count. Ug tatlo ka buok Tagalog diri sa comment section. Himuon lang unta na ako ang Oscar Lopez. Kick it to the Aquaman. No. Ayan na naman ang lambingan. Ayan na naman ang lambingan. Ayan na naman ang lambingan. Getelan and Jack Corpus. Talagang pare-parehong mga palaban. Yung mga angas ng Mindanao. Corpus. Here now by Huelo Lego. Huelo, Pumuelo, fade way, yes. Mijares. Mano-mano, ito na. Ayan na naman, lambingan. Ayan na naman, lambingan. Ayan na naman, lambingan. Ayan na naman ang lambingan. Iba ka, Jack Corpus. Another MIB. Cutter Emanuela. Halyare, Tumihares, and Laundry Sanjo. Yung outlet namin, huwag niyong huhugutin. 3-point shots by Eman Calo. Well open, the muscle man. 30 seconds on the game clock. Jenmar Baragais, good for 2. Nice bind! Yes! Tablang pagtatapos ng first half natin. First attack here is by the Team WBS Sophia. And third quarter. Oh, 36 all, 36 deadlock. Jory Napoles, follow up, put back. Jun Manso, pass to. Dalawang maling templada on Tempra, 38 all, another chance to make it a lead. Bang! By Ray Suerte, Janmar sa 3, bang! Nonoy, pass to Oscar, kabagsik. Jory Napoles on the baseline, Tempra, and Emanuela Bakla! Ay, ang kalo na bitawan, kabagsik, muntik maagaw. Jerma Bragais, 4 laban sa 1, behind the back, and Jun Manso on the scoop easy for the championship. Tingnan natin, baka bukas mangyayari yan dito sa Dinagat Island. Lost to Sherwin Concepcion. JC pass to Piso. Piso! Jarek Nakpil, get the present. Jenmar Bragais! Nakpil pass to Gab Dagangon. Gab, yes! Veterans move by Gab. Jarek Nakpil. And good for two. Championship pa rin sila bukas. Fade away. Basket! At ito, pumap. Ay, ito na naman, kinukumpara yung katawan ni Kabaog. 53-51, gustong bumawi naman ito ni Jeric Nakpil. Top ball. Now 30 seconds, fire. No good. Seven seconds.
All players. Back to bench. All players.
27 seconds. Sherwin from 3. Bang! The Golden Hands. Mijares for 3. Sanjo big rebound. Sanjo and 1. Lakas! Nakalo. Kalo nakakita ng siwang ang bakla. Check ball by Del Pino. Stop and pump. Teka lang, sabi ni Del Pino. Hintayin ko lang si Eman Kalo! Oh! What a shot by Eman Kalo. Sanjo answer. So, balik kay Halyare. Halyare ang yari. Ang ganda ng pasa. Sanjo, bakbakan dalawa. Import sa ilalim. And 1, nagpakita na. Nice block by CJ. And this is now the last 2 minutes. Points, timeout. 66-63 with a 44 remaining here in the fourth quarter. Mark Nonoy, pass to Lopez. Lopez from 3. Still 4 seconds shot clock difference to the game clock. 15 remaining. 10 seconds shot clock. Oh, out of bounds. Sherwin. And this part 2 is finished by the CM Parma. Abangan bukas. According to our analyzation, Papasok pa.
Step back and kiss myself. Big time players make big time plays. Woo!